Hi everybody, my name is Carmelo and I'm going to speak about the International Phonetic Alphabet. Let's start. But what is the International Phonetic Alphabet? Phonetic alphabet is the set of symbols that are used to record the pronunciation of a word. These have several uses, just as writing down the pronunciation of words that are not written as they are read, as in French or English, or writing down the specific pronunciation of a particular or individual. Let's start. Consonants, like peanut, pencil, and please. V, like big, bat, and baby. T, like take, two, and turtles. D, like donut, don't disagree. Like can, cat, and cackle. Like change, shiwi, watches. G, like giggling, curl, and gargles. Z, like just, chasey, and jump. V, like very, vibrant, Vincent. T, like toss, wheat, and then. And like 4, 5, and feelers. T, t, like think, and tank. Like 6 and slime. Z, like Bussy, zebras, and bass. Like shouldn't, shy, and shine. Like pleaser, miser, and television. Like hello, how, and hat. Like my, muscular, and male. Like no, nice, and nose. Like sing, walking, and dancing. Like read, real, reading. Like yes, you, and jello. Like what, why, and when. Like lake, love, and like. It's okay. Vowels. E, like me, see, and we. E, like happy, very, worry. E, like thin, beat, and feet. A, like apple, sad, and head. R, like far, car, and bat. O, like fall, low, and door. U, like put, foot, and hood. O, like you, to, a flow. Like up, above, and love. A, like hey, way, and say. O, like go, no, and low. I, like my, I, and shy. Oi, like boy, toy, and joy. Ear, like here, beer, and fear. We, like weir, hair, and fire. Thank you so much for watching.